and underground.
Tiem na nke no n'iru o kwa first. Tiem na nke no n'iru. Why not they smile? I mean, you know who they are. It's a guy smile. You know, say na first lady be this.
Okay, what are you doing now?
We are doing the structural work for the decking beam.
Okay, decking
beam.
Okay, decking beam.
Yes.
Okay, so these are the ones you've done already.
Yes.
Okay.
So that workers in there.
Yes. Thank you. And that's of you. Ogaolu. If you give me a well done. Yes. I said make I come work with you now today. So what are you doing now?
We are cutting the bamboo to prepare the decking.
Okay, cutting the bamboos, preparing for decking. Okay. All right. How long can this take before the decking is ready for casting?
Let's say by next week Tuesday.
Okay, next week Tuesday. Oh, okay. So that's including iron bender work and all of these things. Oh, okay. It's all right. Now they try you. Well done.
Only all your way that in the shop with the leaf.
Okay. This iron now, be like say now, what mm is this one?
No, this is 12 mm.
Okay, 12 mm.
Yes.
Okay, you've done these ones already.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I say make I work with you now today.
It's a very good thing.
Now they try. Well done.
We are preparing the beam.
Okay, yes, you are preparing the beams.
Yeah.
All right. Jisenike. So you guys, actually, that's my husband. So they are preparing the next stage right now. The iron benders are bending, they are working, the carpenters. This is the elevator here. Let me show you guys. The elevator is under construction, so so this is actually the ground floor. I don't know if I'll be able to cover everything because the whole place is big. This is the ground floor. Okay, so this is the staircase that leads to the underground. Let me quickly show you guys. I won't go really down, but let me show you. I hope you guys can hear me. So this is what the underground looks like. I can't go lower than this. This is also another staircase that leads to the underground as well. I think this one, just like I said, this is the ground floor. Behind it, you can access the staircase behind the elevator here. So from here, you go all the way down. I'm going down right now. Then to this staircase, then you can access the underground. Okay, let me quickly show you guys. I think this place is more quiet. Okay, so this is what the underground is looking like. This is where I came from, this way. So I'm just gonna turn the camera. I don't want to go further than this. The place is big, as you guys can see. All this place, like, there's no block work here. Everything here is casted. Let me show you. Everything, the walls, everything here is casted. Okay, guys, I can't go any further. So let me just go up. Now I'm back to the ground floor. I think this should be the toilet because this is a hotel construction. So the whole of this place is the reception. When the time comes, I know it doesn't look like it, but trust me, I'll keep you guys updated with as the work progresses. Yeah.